Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through a feature in Easel called parking. Essentially what this allows us to do is when the carve is done and the bit returns to the start position, there'll be a menu that pops up. Part of this menu allows us to park the bit either up or down a specific distance so that we can then move our material out of the way, load a new piece of material, and then just go right back to carving. And so we're going to kind of visualize that here really quick. I've got a carve running and I'm just going to stop it. Now that it's stopped, it'll ask me how the carve went, and then on the right hand side we have our jog controls, and if we scroll down here there'll be an option to park our machine, and if we click here or here, the bit is going to move up a specific distance or down a specific distance, and we can see that listed here. If I click on park here, then the bit's going to move up 6 inches and out of the way, and then I can adjust my material, put my material back, and then start a new carve. That's the park feature in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.